just working on this forklift here at the minute. I've had this forklift a couple of months now. I haven't got around to doing a video on it yet. I went to start it there the other day to move something. It wouldn't start. So I pulled the starter motor out and it wasn't working. So I ordered a new starter motor. This is it here. So I need to put it in. And then give it a power wash because you can see the dirt on it. So I'm going to stick it in and give it a clean here. I'd like to figure out how to convert it, well, use gas on petrol, or ideally I just like it to run on petrol so I wouldn't have to use stupid gas bottles. But it's running at the minute, so I just want to use it the way it is until something breaks on it, because them things can be temperamental enough. It's going to be mostly moving stuff outside anyway. And then eventually ideally I would like to turn it into, put a diesel motor in it, but it might be too much getting the right bell housing and I wouldn't know enough about it. So ideally I'll have to pull the engine out, and I think you can get like a recondition, or not a recondition, like a kit to recondition this engine, change all the burns and piston rings. Just do like a full overhaul on it and put it back in, because it is a good enough wee forklift. Just a couple of wee hydraulic leaks in it that can be easy enough fixed too. But I'll fix it here at the minute and just run it till something breaks on it, and then think about doing that. That's the petrol tank here, but somebody seems to have kept it off and done away with it, so you can switch it from petrol to gas. But sure, I'll get stuck into it here and put the starter motor in, get it started, and then pull it outside and power wash it, put some oven cleaner on it to get all that thick grease off. It hasn't been cleaned in a long time. Don't know if that's an oil leak or exhaust, or how it got so dirty down there. But we'll not be able to see anything till we get all this off, but what actually is going on. So bear with me and I'll stick this starter motor in. Alright, so I'm just going to spray this over. So a lot better now. Still a few wee places down there needs touched, but alright, that's going to do it for this one. I'm just going over, if anyone knows how to convert this so you can use gas and petrol, let me know in the comments. I'm going to have to look in to see how you do it. With these two, whereabouts the petrol goes in, and you need to be cut off switch as well, solenoid I think it is. But as I say, that's going to do it for this one. If anyone knows how to do that, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.